This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a name change in Haryana DHBVN electricity. First, gather all necessary documents like identity proof and property ownership papers. Next, you will need to visit your local DHBVN office or use their official online portal to begin the process. It is crucial to ensure all your previous electricity bills are paid in full before submitting your application. This initial preparation will streamline your name change request significantly. Once you have all your documents ready, you will need to submit them along with your application form. This typically includes your identity proof, current address proof, and documents verifying property ownership. If the property is jointly owned, a no-objection certificate from other owners is mandatory. Be prepared to pay the required application fee, which can differ based on whether it's a domestic or commercial connection. Always keep copies of all submitted documents for your records. After submitting your application and documents, DHBVN officials will begin the verification process. They will carefully check all the details provided to ensure accuracy and authenticity. In some cases, a field officer might conduct a physical inspection of your premises to confirm the information. You will be kept informed about the progress of your application through SMS notifications or email updates. This stage ensures all information is correct before final approval. Upon successful verification and approval, you will receive an updated electricity bill reflecting your new name. It is very important to carefully review all the details on this new bill to ensure everything is accurate and matches your records. If you find any discrepancies, contact DHBVN immediately for correction. Also, for those looking to improve their financial understanding, check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals. This final step completes your name change process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.